How to increase sound on Insta360 X5. So on your device, scroll down to the control panel. From here, tap on the volume option. Now from here, you can choose low, medium or high in order to increase sound. So I'm going to select on high option so that the sound is set to maximum. You can also choose adaptive option to automatically adjust the sound of your device. Now on the next step, if you wish to adjust the sound or increase the volume, you can connect your Insta360 X5 device on your mobile device as well. Now on the next step, in order to increase the sound, you can increase your sound while editing your videos from editing software that you have been using. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.